2 date trees. A long time ago, there were 2 date trees, which had grown up next to each other. When fruit-bearing season came, one of the trees was full of fruit, while the other bore no fruit at all. The first date tree had all of its fruit harvested by the villagers, leaving it with nothing more than empty branches, while the second date tree was still covered with lush green leaves. At that point, the second date tree spoke. You made a mistake by bearing a lot of fruit. You now have to suffer through the actions of humans. When the first date tree heard this, it replied, I am proud to produce fruit for humans. It is better than you, who simply stands there serving no purpose. Those who sacrifice themselves for the benefit of others are better than those who sit idly and contribute nothing.